Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CIEC Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 17 Trigonometrical Ratios, exercise 17, question number 1 to 7 of this exercise. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.
Here we are going to solve exercise 17. So chapter 17 trigonometrical ratios, we will take some introduction here about this chapter. The thing which I am going to use in the questions is, so here trigonometrical ratios, firstly we will study from right angle triangle. So sin theta is height by hypotenuse, cos theta is base by hypotenuse, and tan theta is perpendicular by base, cot theta is base by hypotenuse. Then similarly sec theta is the reverse of here cos theta, so hypotenuse by base. Then cosec theta is the reverse of sin theta, so it will be hypotenuse by height. Now the identities and formulas which we are going to use. So here we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So hence these are the identities which we are going to use frequently in the exercise. So let's learn them. Now let us solve here exercise 16. Question number 1, first part. From the figure given below, find the value of sin theta. So sin theta we know that is height by hypotenuse, means here height we don't know, so we'll calculate by Pythagoras theorem. So let us calculate here height. Hypotenuse we know hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. So to find the height, we can write height is equal to under root base hypotenuse square minus base square. So I'll put the value of hypotenuse 15 whole square minus 12 whole square. So this will be here 81 on calculating 225 minus 144, 81. We'll take the under root, so this will be 9. So here 9 is the height. From there we can write height by hypotenuse as 9 by 15. Now the second thing which we have to find is cos theta. So cos theta will be here base upon hypotenuse. So base upon hypotenuse we can write 12 by 15. The third thing is asked is tan theta. Tan theta is height by base. So it will be 9 by 12 perpendicular upon base. Fourth is cot theta is the reverse of tan theta. So it will be 12 by 9 base by height. Sixth part is asked as sec theta. Sec theta is the reverse of cos theta. So it will be 15 by 12. Now we have cosec theta. Cosec theta is the reverse of sin theta. So it will be 15 by 9. So these are the final answers of the question number 1 first part. So this is the answer of this question. Let us solve here. Question number 1 second part. From the figure given below, find the value of sin A. To find the value of sin A, we will take from this angle the height by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be, if we want to calculate the hypotenuse, so it will be under root 12 square plus 5 square, means this will be 144 plus 25 equal to 13. So 13 is the hypotenuse here. We can write now simply sin A will be height by hypotenuse, so 5 by 13. The second part is asked as cos A. Cos A will be base by hypotenuse, means 12 by 13. Third part is asked as sin square A plus cos square A. So this will be 1 here because we know the identity. So we will apply also, if we want to apply, we will apply here sin square A we will write as 5 by 13 ka whole square plus cos square A as 12 by 13 ka whole square. So it will be equal to 25 by 169 plus 144. So this will be 169 divided by 169, means 1 is the answer which we have calculated here. Now the fourth part is sec square A minus tan square A we have to calculate. So we can again put the value because it is also an identity. So it will be when we will put the value to verify it. So it will be sec square A is reverse of cos. So it will be 13 by 12 ka whole square minus tan square A. Tan square A will be perpendicular by base. So 5 by 12 ka whole square. So this will be 169 minus 25 divided by 144 equal to 144. So the final answer is 1. It is verified from here. So this is the solution of first second part. Solve here question number first part from the figure given below. Find the value of sin B. So if you want to find the value of sin B, firstly we will find the value of AC. This will be under root 100 minus 36. So it will be 8. So this is 8. If you want to find the value of sin B, this will be height by base. So sin B, first part is sin B as 8 divided by 10. Now the second part we have to find is cos C. So this will be base by cos C will be here base by hypotenuse. So 8 by 10. We can simplify as 4 by 5. This also as 4 by 5. Now the third part is we have to find is sin B plus sin C. So here sin B will be, if you want to find, this will be 4 by 5 and sin C will be 6 by 10, or we can say 3 by 5. So this will be 7 by 5. The fourth part which we have to find is sin B cos C plus sin C and cos B. So we will put all the values. Sin B here is 4 by 5. Cos C will be 4 by 5 plus sin C. This will be 3 by 5 and cos B. Cos B will be base by hypotenuse. So this will be 3 by 5 again. So here it will be 16 by 25 plus 9 by 25 means 25 by 25. So this is 1. Final answer is 1, and this is the solution of question number 2 first part. Let us solve here second part from the figure given below. Find the value of tan x. So here tan x will be, we can write tan x perpendicular by base. So here perpendicular will be, if we subtract 13 square minus 5 square, so this will be 12. So here tan x will be 12 by, or sorry, 5 by 12 we can write. Now the second part we have to find is cos y. Cos y will be, firstly we will find the value of here AB to find the cos y. So AB will be, if we find, this will be 12 here, and here 21 minus 5 will be 16. So if we want to find AB, this will be under root 16 whole square minus 12 whole square. Sorry, this is the hypotenuse here, so we will add 16 square plus 12 square. So under root 256 plus 144 will be under root 400, means 20 is the value of hypotenuse here. So cos y, if we want to find, it will be 16 divided by 20. Third part is we have to find is cos square y minus cot square y. So we will write here cosec square y. So this will be hypotenuse by height. So here we can write 20 divided by 12 a whole square minus cot square y. This will be uh, base upon perpendicular. So 20, here base is 16. So 16 by 12 ka whole square. So this will be 400 minus 256 divided by 144. There we can write 144 divided by 144. So 1 is the answer in the third part. Now the fourth part which we have to find is 5 sin x. So we can write 5 sin x plus 3 sin y minus 3 cot y. So it will be 5 divided by sin x. Sin x, if we want to find, it will be base by perpendicular, sorry, height by perpendicular. So this will be here 5 by 13. So 5 by 13 is the sin x plus 3 by sin y. Sin y will be here, if we want to write, sin y is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So 12 by 20 we can write. Now minus 3 into cot y. Cot y is base by perpendicular, so it will be 16 divided by 12. Here we can just find the value of, this will be cancel out, and again we can write 13 plus 3 into 20 divided by 12. This will be cancel out by 4, and this again 4. There we will divide by 5 means 13 plus 5 minus 4. So 18 minus 4 will be 14. So the final answer is 14 in this question. So this is the solution of the second question, second part. This is the solution in this question. Let us solve a third first part. From the figure given below, find the value of sec theta. So sec theta will be here. This is a right angle triangle. So sec theta is hypotenuse by base, means this AB divided by BD. So firstly we will find here AB divided by BD. BD is the base. So firstly we will find the value of AB. AB we can find only when we will find the value of AD. So AD, from this right angle triangle ADC, we can write AD as under root 169 minus 25, means 13 square minus 5 square. So 12 is the value here of AD. Now if we have got the value of AD, we can find the value of AB, which we can find. So this is the hypotenuse, so 12 square plus 21 minus 5, 16 square. So here 144 plus 256. So this will be 200 here. If we will take the under root, it will be, sorry, 400 here. So this will be 20. Means AB is 20 here. Now we'll put the value AB as 20 divided by BD. BD is 21 minus this 5 DC. So it will be 16. If we will simplify it, we will get 5 by 4 as the answer in this question. So this is the solution of third first part. Let's solve question number 3 second part. From the figure given below, find the value of sin x. So firstly, to find the value of sin x, we will find the hypotenuse of this part. So this will be 16 plus 9 means 5. 5 is the hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem. Now here base we have to find. So it will be 12 square minus 4 means 8 under root 2. So 8 under root 2 here. If we want to find the value of sin x will be 4 by 5, because this will be height by hypotenuse. Second part is cot x. So cot x will be height by base. So this will be, or base by height, sorry. So it will be 3 by 4. Now the third part which you have to find is cot square x minus cosec square x. So this will be cot square x will be 3 by 4 का whole square minus cosec square x means 5 by 4 का whole square. So 9 minus 25 divided by 4. So this will be minus, we can write 3 by 4, 9 minus 25 minus 16 divided by 4, or 16 here also. This is 16. This will be cancel out, means minus 1 is the answer of the third part. Now the fourth is sec y we have to find. Sec y will be base by, we can write base by hypotenuse. So this hypotenuse by base, sorry. So this will be 12 by 8 under root 2. So we will get 4 here, and this will be 6. 2, 3 means 3 by 2 under root 2. Fifth part which you have to calculate is tan square y minus 1 by cos square y. So this we can write tan square y as perpendicular by base. So perpendicular by base in this will be 4 by 8 under root 2 the whole square minus 1 by cos square y. This will be base by hypotenuse. So it will be 8 under root 2 divided by 12 ka whole square. So 16 divided by 64 into 2. So the 12 minus 144 divided by 64 into 2 will be 128. So 16 minus 144 will be, we can write 128 divided by 128. So this will be on minus, means minus 1 is the answer here. So this is the answer of the third part, this is the answer of the fifth part, and this is the solution of third second part. Now let us solve the fourth first part. Find from the figure first given below, find the values of 2 sin y minus cos y. So here we can firstly find the value of AB by Pythagoras theorem. So BC will be here because this is the hypotenuse of this part. So here we can write 9 square plus 144 So 15 is the value of BC here. Now, if we want to find the value of AB, this will be here, we can take base or height, so it will be 25 whole square minus 5 whole, 15 whole square. So this will be 400, means 20 is the value of AB here. So here if we take the under root. Now, the first part which we have to solve is 2 sin y minus cos y we have to find. 2 sin y we can write it as height by hypotenuse. So this sin y from here we will take, height is 9 and hypotenuse is 15. So this will be 9 by 15 minus cos y, base is 12 and height hypotenuse is 15. So this will be 12 by 15. So here we will solve this part, means if we will solve it, it will be 18 by 15 minus 12 by 15. So from there only we can write 6 by 15. We can take it in simplest form as 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 is the answer in the first part. Now the second part which we have to find is 2 sin x minus cos x. So here we can find, write as 2 sin x. Sin x will be height by hypotenuse. So here we can write this part as height is 15 and hypotenuse we can write 25. So this will be 15 by 25 minus cos x. Cos x we can write here. This is sin x and this is cos x. Cos x will be base by hypotenuse. It will be 20 by 25. Means if we solve it, this will be 30 minus 20 divided by 25. So 10 by 25. We can just solve it. So it will be 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 in the simplest form we can write. Now the third part which we have to solve here is 1 minus sin x. So 1 minus sin x plus cos y. So this will be 1 minus sin x, we can write 15 by 25. Cos y we can write base 12 by 15. So this will be, if we take the LCM here, this will be 75. So here we can write 75. 75 minus, this is 25 into 3. So 15 into 5 we can write. 15 into 5. So we can write here 5. Here this is 25 into 75. So we can write 15 into 25 into 3. Sorry. So 15 into 3 will be 15, 45. So 45 plus 15 into we can write 15 into 5 is 75. So 12 into 5 is 60. So this will be 75 minus 45. So 30 plus 60 divided by 75. So here we can write 90 by 75. We will solve it. 30, 20, 25 we can write here. So 25, this will be 5, this will be 6. Means 6 by 5 is in simplest form. Now the fourth question which we have to solve is 2 cos x minus 3 sin y plus 4 tan x. So this will be 2 into cos x, here it will be based by hypotenuse. So 20 by 25 minus 3 sin y. Sin y will be height by hypotenuse. So it will be 9 by 15 plus 4 tan x. Tan x is here height by base. So this will be into 15 by 20. We will solve it. On solving it will be 5 and on cancelling this part it will be 3. Again this part if we cancel we will get 5 and this part here we can't cancel. This will be cancelled by 5 and 4. So here we will get 8 by 5 minus 9 by 5 plus 3. So 8 minus 9 means 1 minus 1 by 5 plus 3. So if we solve it, it will be 15 minus 1 plus 15. So 14 by 5 is the answer in this question. So this is the solution of fourth first part. Let us solve here. Question number 2, part 2 of fourth question. In the figure given below, triangle ABC is right angle at B. If AB is equal to here given as y units, then BC is given as 3 units and CA is given as 5 units. Find the value of here written as sin x and the second part is y. So sin x, if we have to find sin x degree, so we can write it as height by hypotenuse. So this will be, if we have to find in triangle ABC the base, so with angle x here, so this will be, by Pythagoras theorem we can write y is equal to under root 5 square minus 3 square. So this will be 25 minus 9 means 16, this will be 4. So here sin x we can write as 3 by 5 because it is height by hypotenuse. Now the second thing, this is only we have to find, so y is equal to 4. So this is the final solution of this question here. This is the answer of the first part and this is the answer of the second part. By Pythagoras theorem we have find it. Hence this is the solution of fourth second part. Let us solve fifth question. In a right angle triangle, it is given that angle A is an acute angle and that tan A is equal to 5 by 12. Means height and hypotenuse is given to us. Then find the value of cos A. So here we will draw a right angle triangle. So this is 90 degree here. Angle A is an acute angle. Means let the angle A be like this. And the height and base are given to us. Tan A height and base means height is this and base is this. So from that we can find the hypotenuse also. So 12 square plus 5 square will be under root 13. Under root 169 will be 13 units here. Means hypotenuse here is 13. If you want to find the value of cos A here, so this will be cos A, if you want to find, this will be base by hypotenuse. So we will put the value of base here. This will be 12 divided by 13. Now the second part is cosec A minus cot A. So again we will put the value of cosec A. Cosec A is hypotenuse by base. So we can write here 13 by 12 minus cot A. Cot A will be, we can write cosec A is hypotenuse by height. Sorry, this is height here. So we can write in the normal form firstly. So it is hypotenuse by height of this triangle minus cot A will be base by height. Here we can write hypotenuse by height as 13 by 5 minus base by height will be 12 by 5. So here we can write 1 by 5 is the answer. Means this is the solution of fifth question here. This is the answer of the first part and this is the answer of the second part. Solve the sixth first part. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degree here. Let this angle A as 90 degree. If this is the triangle ABC, if AB is 7 centimeter and BC minus AC is equal to 1 centimeter, then find sin C. If we write BC minus AC here, so BC minus AC is 1 centimeter. So we can let here BC as X. Let this be X or AC as X. So AC, if we let it as X, we can find the value of BC as 1 plus X. So BC is 1 plus X. If we want to find the value of sin C, so it will be height by hypotenuse. So we can write sin C as, or firstly we will calculate the hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem. So we can write here 1 plus x का whole square is equal to x square plus 7 का whole square. So 1 plus x square plus 2x is equal to x square plus 49. Means this will be cancelled out and we can write here 2x minus 49. So here minus 48 equal to 0. X minus 24 is equal to 0. So from there we can write the value of x as 24. So x is 24. Now if this x is 24, we can find the value of sin C, which will be height by hypotenuse. So from that only we can write x plus 1 here, it will be equal to 25 and this will be equal to 24. So height will be here 7 and hypotenuse will be 25. So this is the answer of the first part. Now the second part is tan B we have to write. This will be height by base, means 24 by 7. So this is the answer of the second part, means this is the solution of sixth first part. Now let us solve here sixth second part. In triangle PQR, Angle Q is 90 degree, means let the triangle here PQR be like this. Angle Q is 90 degree, so it will be PQR, and PQ is given as 40 centimeter to us, and PR plus QR is given as 50 centimeter. Let here QR as what QR as X we will let. So from that we can find the value of, let in this we can put X plus QR is equal to 50 centimeter here. Oh sorry, here it will be PR is equal to 50 minus X. So here we can write PR as 50 minus X. So from there we can, by Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value of X, and then we will calculate the hypotenuse at the base. So we can write 50 minus X ka whole square will be equal to X square plus 40 ka whole square. So this will be 50 ka whole square will be 25 plus X square minus 100X equal to X square plus 1600. So here this will be cancelled out, and we will get 100x is equal to 2500 minus 600 means 900. This 20 will be cancelled out, and x is equal to 9. From there we can write 50 minus x as 41, and x is equal to 9. So here we can write sine p as equal to height by hypotenuse. So 40 by 41 is the value of sine p here. Or sorry, we have to find the value of sine p. So it will be 9 by 41. Sorry, this will be 9 by 41. And now the second thing which we have to find is cos p. Cos p will be base by hypotenuse. So this will be 40 by 41. And the third thing is tan r we have to find. This will be height by base. So here we can write 40 by 9. So this is the answer of the second part. So this is the solution of this question here. Let us solve here. Question number 7. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC and BC is equal to 18 centimeter. Let this triangle be here. Uh, ABC means this is the triangle. So here we can write, we will firstly draw the perpendicular from that, like AD, a perpendicular drawn from A. So here it is given AB is equal to AC and BC is given as 18 centimeter. If we have drawn a perpendicular, means D is the midpoint of this triangle here of the side BC. So BD we can write it as 9 centimeter here. And by Pythagoras theorem, applying the Pythagoras theorem here, we can find the value of, here AC is given in the question 15 centimeter. So if this is given to us here, we can find the value of AD. So here we can write 15 square minus 9 square means AD will be under root 225 minus 81. So we can write it as 144 here. On calculating, under root of that will be 12, means AD is 12 here. From that only we can find the cos of angle ABC. So here we have to find the value of cos of angle ABC in first part. So cos of angle ABC we can write it as base by hypotenuse. So this will be 9 by 15 we can write here. And the second part is, we have to find sine of angle ACB. So sine of angle ACB will be 15 by 15, sorry, this will be height 12 by 15. And on simplifying it, we will get here 3 by 5, means the final is 3 by 5. And again on simplifying this, we will get 4 by 5. So this is the answer here in this question, and this is the final solution.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.